Chicken neck a la Korean, fried chicken. Recipes: chicken neck, cornstarch, eggs, sweet and chili sauce, garlic, chili flakes, sugar, salt, oyster sauce, vinegar, seasoning. Preparation: wash the chicken neck. Cut the chicken neck into half. Then, put the chicken neck in the bowl. Add the black pepper, salt, and cornstarch. Then, put the egg white. Then you may now mix. Let's start cooking. Preheat the frying pan. If the frying pan heat already, pour the cooking oil hot already. Put the chicken neck one by one. Wait until the chicken neck turn into golden brown. Turn the chicken neck. Do the same procedure on the remaining chicken neck. Put a little cooking oil. Then put the chopped garlic. Then the oyster sauce and sweet and chili sauce. Then stir it. Put a little vinegar. Add sugar and seasoning to taste. Then put the fried chicken neck. Stir it so that all the chicken neck will cover the sauce. Last, put the chili flakes. Done cooking. Wow, so yummy and delicious. Try this cooking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell.